I know you haven't made a sale, right? And it's very hard to make a sale. Very hard, actually. When I made my first sale, I was very happy. And there's a lot of things that you don't know, and I'm going to explain it. Let's talk about making sales. We've gotten our first product, we've gotten the resources. Now the next thing is to run advertisements. I've shown you guys how to run advertisements by talking to the influencers or Mary to help you run advertisements, or any other person you have that can help you run advertisements. So that is the next thing you're going to do. Now before you even start to run advertisement, you have to understand sales is a game of numbers. Now let's say you have a product and you don't even know how to market at all, and now you show this product to 1,000 people. What this does is that it gives you possibility to make sale. Out of this 1,000 people that you show this your product to, let's say 5 people or 10 people can buy it, even if you're very whack at marketing, guys. So that is just the trick. Now our first product, which is video editing, has made everything very simple and very useful. Now look at this advertisement and just look at how perfect it is.
Do you know that 91.8% persons who use the internet say that they consume more of video content than any other kind of content that's on the internet? And that is why the best way to sell what your offer and also grow is by using video content, because persons engage more, they watch more, and they react more to this kind of content than any other kind of content. And for the past 3 to 6 months, I've been learning how to create video content without spending so much on buying gadgets for yourself, and also how to edit it all with your smartphone. And I've packaged all of this in my video content workshop that I want you to click the link that's in around this video right now and get in on it for a very little amount before this offer goes off the market. So click the link if you want to learn how to create videos with your smartphone and how to also edit it with your smartphone from beginning till the end. See you inside.
How simple and sweet is that advertisement? Now that advertisement video is what you're going to use to advertise. Now whoever sees that advertisement that is interested in it is going to click on your link and is going to bring him to you, and you're now going to start to market to the person the product. Now the reason why I say that you need to know how to target the particular audience that will be interested in it is because if you target the wrong people, you're going to get low results. That means low people are going to come to you. So let's say for instance now you're sending this advertisement to a bunch of grandmothers, or let's say old people in the brackets of maybe from 50 years old upwards, are likely not to be interested in editing videos. Why would they want to learn how to edit videos? But that is why targeting the right people that will need this particular product is just the game changer. And that is why I recommend you to give someone that knows how to run these advertisements, someone that I said like Mary, and whoever you know that knows what is doing in running advertisements. These are part of the things that you're supposed to know as a beginner, because these are part of the things that all the pros, all the gurus are doing, and they are making more money. And you think that they are doing magic. They are not doing any magic. They just know certain things that you don't know, and now you know it. Now if you're confused about what we are doing here, that means you haven't watched the part 1 of this series. Now this is an affiliate marketing series which I started to help beginners so that they can make at least their first sales on the internet. Now if you haven't watched the part 1, please go and watch the part 1 now. The link is going to be on the description so that you can follow us and you can understand what we are doing. We've gotten our first product, which is video editing. The second product is, I'm going to disclose the second product in this video, so just keep on watching. Do not skip any part and do not skip this video so that you're going to understand everything very easily. Now affiliate marketing has to do with a lot of things, and I cannot disclose everything in one video. That is why I'm making a whole series for it. There might possibly be a part 3 depending on how long this video is, because I don't want the video to be too long. So stay tuned and pay attention. The next thing we have to do is to go to our WhatsApp, because we're going to use WhatsApp as a medium of conversion. WhatsApp is a medium of conversion, so we're going to use it there, and it's on WhatsApp we're going to do the chatting and the conversion. So now let's head to our WhatsApp and let me show you guys what to do there. To your WhatsApp, what you have to do is to head here, these 3 dots that is up there, here, this one, and then that's where you're going to create a group entirely. You're just going to create a new group, then you're just going to put, let's say, just put yourself, look for here. No, it's supposed to show yourself, or just add, I don't know. Okay, just add somebody, just add someone, just add this number, and then because you need to like add one participant before you create a group. So here you're just going to write your video editing class, video class, so video editing class, whatever, and then you just kind of, yeah, maybe an emoji, not necessary, just put picture and then just create it. Group here, just create it. It couldn't create because my data is not on. I don't want to create the group. I'm just telling you guys what to do, just like this group. No, I don't want to show you guys this my main group. So let me go down and show you guys the rest of the groups that I have done before. I don't know. So this is one of the academy I did. You can see it here, and this is just exactly what you're going to do here. and you just create the group, put the flyer here, let's say the picture here. This is where you're going to put the flyer, so you just edit, put the flyer, you can just select it. This is what you put, and you just tap on done, and then it's going to upload on your group icon. So that's the group you're going to create. So you just put the name, video editing, and just edit the group. Now I just hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. Go to your WhatsApp and then look for yourself. So how to find yourself, you just come down to this here, this down part here, sorry, this down part, this box here, tap on it, and then you're going to see that you're the first person. Yourself is the first person here. You can see send message to yourself, so you tap on it. So this is where you're going to be uploading and be dropping the things that are required for marketing. So to just help organize all the things you are going to require for marketing in a particular course or particular product. Now you can see you're organizing your work and you're organizing everything for marketing. So everything that you're going to need to run advertisement, you just put it, you send it to yourself. If there are copies that you're going to okay, click on this link and all of these things, all your links, everything, you're going to post it here to just organize your work. When you're doing advertisements, you need a particular link where when people tap, they are going to come to you. So you come to your Google and then tap on Walink. You can see it here. Tap on the first one, and we're going to create our link. So this down here, you don't come down here. See this place that says number, you're going to put your number now. Let me just put my number, and then you select your country. So wherever you're watching this from, if you're from other countries, you can still put it. So now is that you want people, when they tap on your link, the message that they're going to see, then they'll just continue. So you can put something like, hi. Whoever clicks on your link is going to see this message first, and is going to now put his name, and it's very important for you to save people's name. So what you're going to do is now create, or you can do preview, but we have already seen what we do. So just create Walink. You just come down here and then you copy your Walink. This is a link, so you copy it. This is on WhatsApp. You now post your link here, you paste it. You see, this is my link. So now when we tap on this link, see where it's going to take us to now. So you can see, so this is how whoever taps on this link is going to bring the person to you, and then the person is going to say, hi, I am interested in the video training, my name is, then the person is going to put his name. I'm going to put my name, Victor, then good. Then what you're going to do is reply the person and then save his number, and then tell the person that save my number to as so and so. Guys, I've been giving you guys a lot of value here, and all I want you guys to do for me now is smash that like button, destroy that like button, and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and then share this video with your friends. Share it on your WhatsApp, share it with your friends, share it with people that are looking for ways to make money or are confused with affiliate marketing. Share with your friends. Now you've gotten everything ready. All you need right now is just the people that you are going to market this thing to, and they are going to make you money, literally. Let me tell you something again. After you've sent your advertisement out there and then people start to come in, now what you're going to do is that you're going to fix a date for the particular class that you're going to hold. So maybe let's say today is Sunday. Maybe you can fix the class for maybe on Tuesday or so, depending on how long you want to run your advertisements. Now the reason is, as you run your advertisement, people will keep on coming, so you cannot say that that everybody is going to come from the ad. So there are some people that might come later, so you're going to pile those people, you're going to pile them with time. So maybe from Sunday to Monday to Tuesday, you're running advertisements, and then people are coming, so that when they reach that particular day you want to start the class, then you can now start the class with a lot of people, so that at least when you have a lot of people, you can now start the class and you have more chances. Because I told you guys that numbers is a game of marketing, numbers is the game of sales. Now the video is too long and I'm going to stop it here, but before I stop, I promise you guys I'm going to show you guys the second product, which you can still use all what I have taught here to implement, and you're going to still get the same result. Now come to your stay caught at and then just search for porn, and then I'm sorry, but yeah, this is literally it. So search for it, and then you're going to see the ultimate key to breaking the chain of porn addiction. So this is the second product I was telling you guys about, and I sell it for $16. You're gonna get 50% commission, and just do the mathematics. Then you just tap on promote. This is the second product that I've told you guys that it's not a lot of people are talking about it, but it has a large amount of audience that are fighting through porn addiction. Now, as funny as this product is, but actually is the truth, because now there's a large market for these things. There's a lot of people suffering from porn addiction, and that is very true, but not a lot of people talk about it. It's something that is very shy to talk about. So running advertisements like this, because you're going to actually get resources, like I've shown you guys how to get it, can help people, because there's a lot of people that kind of are struggling from it, and if they see advertisement like this, they are going to come and they are willing to learn how to abstain, or learn the methods that are going to be shared in the course. It's kind of also lucrative, because if you sit down to look at it well, it has a large amount of audience, and it's really a hot cake. Not a lot of people are talking about it, because a lot of people are talking about other product that is saturated and a lot of people know about, but this particular one is a secret product, and if you should use your head well, you'll know how to market it well. If you want me to make a part 3 of this course, revealing other things to affiliate market, just write down in the comment section part 3, and I'm going to see how many people want me to release a part 3, and I'm going to release a part 3 of other mad things that you guys need to know about affiliate marketing for free, guys. Subscribe to the channel, don't forget, and like this video, share it with your friends. Peace.